Hey, we're going to practice problem here. We're evaluating functions, and what we have is f of -2. So -2 is our input. And the function we're plugging it into is 3x squared minus 1 over x. So everywhere we have x over here, we're going to replace it with -2. So that will give me 3 times -2 squared minus 1 over -2. So we just got to carry out things carefully. -2 squared, if we do exponents, is 4. So that'd be 3 times 4. And then minus -1/2 will be plus 1/2. So we got 12 plus 1/2, which we could write as 12.5 or 12.5, depending on how we want to write it. Okay, 12.5. Either is acceptable. You could even do a mixed number if you like. Excuse me, an improper fraction, but 12.5 is what you get.